And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, there's another one of these ridge riders, these complexes of severe storms that ride the periphery of the dome of extreme heat. Right there it is. Now coming into Chicago, the warnings are getting ever closer to the Kankakee River, and this is a general idea of the timing of this coming into our area. It's a little exactly unclear on the exact track. It's quite possible that just like midday today, potentially our southwest counties miss out on this. And it's mainly about the northeast 2/3 of the viewing area or 3/4 of the viewing area. We'll keep an eye on that, but it's generally Lafayette, Delphi, Logansport, Peru, or the Grissom Air Reserve Base area. It's about 2 hours away or so. Now, once you get up towards like Monticello, about an hour and a half. It's about an hour from Rensselaer, and it's less than 1 hour now from northern Newton and northern Jasper County. The main threat with this would be some severe gusts that come out of it. So that's why the Storm Prediction Center has the slight risk of severe weather. The main threat would be wind, but again, some torrential rainfall rates. Dew points are pushing 80 right now. It doesn't take much to wring out some tremendous rainfall from any of these, even if they're moving quickly. So be aware of some flash flooding risk, at least some, when this comes through. And there you see the slight risk viewing area wide pretty much now right through about 3 o'clock in the morning, followed by lows of upper 60s to low and even a few mid 70s. Will be at 73 at 7 o'clock in the morning. The storms are out of here, and there you see the lows upper 60s to the 70s in our area. And then tomorrow is a dry, very hot and oppressive day, dangerously hot tomorrow, 93, but the dew points, just the humidity will be sky high. Dew points will be up around 80 degrees, so I dropped that a degree. 93 Lafayette, but 95 Attica, 96 Petersburg, 92 at Flora, even 91 up here at Winnemac, and those heat indices anywhere from 100 up here, 102, to as high as 105 and even as high as 114 down here in our western and southwestern counties. And yes, we get into tomorrow evening. This is Monday evening, 8 p.m. to midnight. It's an enhanced risk of severe weather. That's a 3 out of 5 on the scale. Main threat is wind. We also got to watch for some locally heavy rainfall, some flash flood producing rainfall. Then everything's out of here come Tuesday morning. And then the afternoons, rather muggy. It's pretty hot. It's 90 for a high, but just a few widely scattered storms around the cold front. That's it. And then the wind goes to the northwest. The humidity will decrease on Tuesday night, but still an 86 to 91 day, and the heat indices 96 to 105. So here we go. Here is the Boeing line of storms coming in tonight, racing southeastward. And I think once we get past about 3 o'clock in the morning, this thing is going to be zipping out of here and actually starting to weaken a little bit. And then tomorrow is just a very hot, oppressive day. But watch up here. Here we get into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, 8 p.m. to midnight. Here's this line of severe storms racing in from the northwest. And this will impact us with the damaging wind threat. And that gets out of here. And the only thing we've got on Tuesday with the actual cold front is just a couple little small showers and storms. And that's it. Now watch this though. This takes you from Wednesday onward, and look, there's no rain here. It's completely dry. Any of the deep moisture stays south of us. It's nice and pleasant for several days. Eventually this huge hot upper ridge will impact us again with 90s, but we've got a long stretch of dry weather ahead, and there's just not much rain right into early August. So this rain completely shuts off. And we even get some wildfire smoke from some of those Canadian Rockies and California fires mid to late week. But it cools off. High of 79 Thursday, 80 Friday, and then back to the 90s by late weekend of next week.